Welcome to the video tutorial where we make your journey of uploading a single catalog easier. Follow just a few simple steps to make your catalog live and start selling online. Firstly, log into the supplier panel and go to your account. In the left section, select Catalog Uploads and then click on Add Single Catalog. You will have two options. You can either select your category from the category tree, or you can also find it in the category search bar. Select the right subcategory for your category. Now we come to the topic of uploading images. For your help, image guidelines have been mentioned on the panel so that you can get more clarity. Read these guidelines carefully before you start the uploading process. To upload images, click on Add Product Images. Make sure to put high-quality front-facing images in order to impress your customers. For now, only add front-facing images. You can always add images from different angles later on. Read image guidelines carefully to avoid any quality check errors. Click here to read them. What images are considered high-quality ones? Images that are not blurred or cropped, doesn't have a watermark or text written on them, and where the front of the product is clearly visible. Once you are done uploading the images, click on Continue, and from there you will directly end up on the product details page. All you have to do now is add details of all the products you want to upload in your catalog. The fields that are marked with an asterisk are compulsory. Now let's talk about filling the prices. You can put two prices for each product. Meesho price, which is compulsory to be filled. Wrong or defective return price, which gets filled automatically, or you can edit it on your own. Make sure to always keep the Meesho price higher than the defective return price, because if the customer buys it on the Meesho price, their reason for returning it can be anything. However, if they buy it on the wrong or defective return price, then they can only return it if it is actually wrong or defective, and that too with a proof. That's right. Selling on Meesho at two prices will reduce your returns by 50 to 60%. As a result, your overall savings will increase and you will get more customers since they prefer buying products at a lower price. Fill the Meesho price carefully, because as soon as you fill it, wrong or defective return price is suggested automatically. You can edit it or leave it as is. While uploading a single catalog upload, you will find many details on the right side, like bank settlement breakdown, inside which you will find Meesho price, commission price, tax, TDS and GST, and customer price breakdown, inside which there will be Meesho price and shipping charges. You don't have to do much, just fill in your product's price and MRP, that is maximum retail price. Along with this, add a GST percentage applicable on your product. Now comes the task of filling the product's weight, size and other compulsory details correctly. After filling the compulsory details, you are ready. But it is our suggestion to fill in as many optional details as possible. It will help in increasing your catalog's visibility on the Meesho app. Remember how we told you that you can add more images to your catalog as we move ahead? Well, the time has come. You can add images of the product from different angles by clicking on Add Images. The more images you add, the better idea customers will get about your product and the more your orders will increase. To add additional images, do check out the image guidelines. By doing this, you will increase the chances of doubling your sales. If your catalog has multiple products, then click only on the product tab whose details you want to edit and change it as you like. You can also add a new product by clicking on Add Product. Similarly, you can delete any product from the catalog by clicking here. As soon as you are ready, click on Submit Catalog and that's it. After that, the Meesho team will do a quality check, and once it passes, your catalog will go live. You can check your catalog status in the Catalog Upload section. In the QC in Progress tab, you will find all the catalogs that are currently being reviewed. In the QC Pass tab, you will see the catalogs that have passed the quality check and will go live soon. In the QC Error tab, you will find details of the catalogs that did not pass the quality check. Don't worry if your catalogs have fewer details. You can make your catalog live with the information available for now and edit it later. Just go to the Drafts tab and then click on Edit Catalog, or you can go to the Action Required tab and then click on Edit Catalog, or you can click on View Error and check for QC fail reason and then rectify. If you have any doubts, don't worry. Go to the support section in the supplier panel and find all your answers there. You will see a list of common problems and their solutions. If you still have any queries, raise a ticket and our team will contact you soon. So don't wait any longer. Start uploading your products and take your business to new heights with Meesho.